Hey, what's up, Tama family? Let me introduce myself first. My name is Joshua Kidd, and I am a professional actor, and I've been doing it for about 2 years now. I am a former student of Dave Thompson. Super good guy. I can't recommend him enough. But I just kind of wanted to let you guys know what you get when you're a student with Dave. I had no experience whatsoever. I never even took a drama class in high school. And I worked with Dave for about 8 months when I got started, and since then I have been on a Paramount Pictures project. I've shot a music video, I've done voiceover work, I've had lead roles, extra roles, background roles, you name it. Like, I've kind of a jack of all trades. But Dave is the one that got me started because I had no clue what I was doing, and his class was very informative, and he does a thing on Fridays called the Round Table, where somebody from the industry comes in and talks to you and you kind of get to network. And I cannot stress to you guys enough how important networking is. Dave gives you the tools that you need to meet people. One of the guest speakers on the round table, I actually got to know, and we became friends, and a project was shooting in Texas, and she got a hold of me and was just like, hey, do you want to come down to Texas and do this? And I went and did it. I mean, you get work by knowing these people. And some of the skills that Dave will give you really do come in handy. I mean, just as an example, I did a Halloween film last year, and the director at the table read went around to everybody and told them, I'm going to give you one sentence, and I want you to say it in 3 different emotions. And it was actually something that Dave and I had worked on, exactly that same scenario. So when they came around to me, I was completely prepared for it, and I killed it, and everybody at the table read actually applauded. So thank you, Dave, for giving me these skills. And I can't recommend him enough to you guys. I love him to death, great guy, and I hope you enroll as a student.